Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you ready to level up your Notion skills and effortlessly bring in all your existing files? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to import CSV, PDF, and Word documents straight into Notion. By the end, you'll know how to transfer data or reference materials from your other tools into Notion quickly and confidently. No hassle, no stress. All right, let's dive right in. Once you're inside Notion on your desktop or browser, look at the top right of your workspace. You'll notice a set of 3 small dots, a pretty universal symbol for more options. Go ahead and click on those dots. This opens up a menu with several actions, but for today, we're focusing on import. Selecting import is like telling Notion you want to bring in content from elsewhere, whether it's an old spreadsheet, a PDF report, or some notes you wrote in Word. First up, let's start with importing a CSV file. CSVs are perfect for spreadsheets. Think Excel sheets or lists you've exported from other apps. In the import window, you'll see CSV as one of the first file types available. Click on that. Now, Notion will prompt you to upload your CSV file. Take a moment to browse your computer, find the file you want, and select it. You'll see the file name pop up in Notion's dialog box. Hit Import to start the process. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have a large spreadsheet. What Notion does here is it reads each row and column, transforming your CSV into a table database in Notion. Everything comes over, the headers, the rows, even numbers and dates, turning your flat file into something interactive you can sort, filter, and organize. It's a huge upgrade from static sheets. Now let's talk about importing a PDF. Maybe you've got a research paper, a scanned invoice, or a training manual saved in PDF format. To bring it into Notion, head back to the Import menu, choose PDF, and again, upload your file. The upload screen works just like before. Find your file, select it, and confirm the import. When Notion brings in your PDF, it turns each page into an image or an embedded document you can scroll through, annotate, or share with your team. That means you can reference important materials without having to juggle separate apps or dig through folders over and over. And last but not least, let's import a Word document. If you've written up meeting notes or drafted plans in Word, .docx format, bringing them into Notion is just as simple. Use the same import menu, pick Word, Word, then upload your file. Click Import, and Notion will convert the content straight into a page you can edit, link, and collaborate on. That's especially handy if you want to centralize your projects or make tweaks without bouncing between programs. And that's it. Just a few clicks and your data, reports, and notes are all safely inside Notion, ready to organize and use however you like. If any part takes a little longer, or if the results look a bit different than you expected, don't worry. That's normal when importing files from outside sources. You can always tidy things up after import, and Notion gives you plenty of options to rearrange or reformat your content. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into issues importing files, and I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.